Hello everyone, welcome back to Mambo Africa, your go-to channel for Africa's biggest infrastructure and development stories. Today we are diving into Mali, a country that's quietly building a new future. Despite years of security and economic challenges, Mali is investing heavily in infrastructure, energy, agriculture, and sustainable development. We are on a road to 5,000 subscribers. Kindly hit the subscription button. Thank you. But what are the mega projects transforming Mali by 2026? How will they reshape the economy, create jobs, and improve lives? Stay tuned till the end. Some of these projects are absolutely groundbreaking. At number 1, we begin with the Bougoula Lithium Production Project, a truly game-changing development for Mali's economy. It's being developed by Kodal Minerals, a UK-Australian company, in partnership with China's Hainan Mining, and with the Malian government holding around 35% of ownership. Lithium is the key mineral used in batteries for electric vehicles and renewable energy storage. With Bougoula now operational, Mali is entering the fast-growing global battery supply chain. This is more than just mining, it's a national transformation. The project is expected to diversify Mali's economy beyond gold, attract new investment, and fund regional infrastructure such as roads, power, and water system in Bougoula. Coming in next, we have the Sanankoroba solar power plant, a bold and visionary project that is set to revolutionize Mali's energy and landscape. This solar power plant will supply enough clean electricity for more than 2 million Malians, significantly reducing power shortages and reliance on expensive fuel imports. It's a key part of Mali's plan to increase renewable energy generation and move towards energy independence by 2030. The project is being developed through a partnership between the Malian government, international investors, and energy firms under the National Electricity Access Expansion Program. It reflects Mali's commitment to green energy transition and climate resilience. Next on our list is a project that perfectly captures Mali's vision for energy independence and industrial growth, the solar panel manufacturing factory. This initiative marks a historic first for the nation, the establishment of Mali's first local solar panel production and distribution plant. For years, Mali relied on importing solar panels from abroad. Now with the local factory, solar technology is being produced right at home, creating hundreds of jobs and promoting skills transfer in clean energy technology. The project is part of Mali's broader strategy to industrialize the renewable energy sector. Factories like these benefit from industrial zone incentives, including tax relief, easier access to utilities, and import duty reductions, helping investors scale production efficiently. Coming up next, we turn our attention to one of the most crucial backbones of Mali's development, its Road Infrastructure Modernization Program. For a landlocked country like Mali, roads are a lifeline, connecting farmers to markets, linking remote regions, and opening trade routes across West Africa. That's why the government has launched an ambitious national program to rebuild and modernize thousands of kilometers of highways and rural roads between 2025 to 2027. The Road Modernization Program is expected to create thousands of jobs in construction and maintenance. It will facilitate the transport of goods, including mining exports and agricultural products. And it will strengthen Mali's position as a regional transit hub in West Africa. Now, let's turn our focus to the social investment spearheaded by the President Goïta and his transition government in Mali. At his swearing-in in June 2021, he announced that he would redirect a major portion of the presidential sovereignty funds towards health, water access, social welfare, and education. These programs aim to reduce inequality between urban and rural areas and provide a basis for sustainable development beyond infrastructure. Strengthening social services helps create resilience in community, especially with Mali's security and climate challenges. By improving water access and healthcare, the transition regime signals a people-centered approach to governance rather than just infrastructure built out. While challenges remain, this mega project signals a nation on the rise, determined to take control of its destiny. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel, Mambo Africa, where we showcase the new face of Africa's transformation. Kindly don't forget to subscribe. We are on a road to 5,000 subscribers. Until next time, see you on the next video.